cooling water over a 10-minute period by Harrison. Question: will the ice still be there after 10 minutes? Goal: to see how many ice cubes are left after 10 minutes. Hypothesis: I think one of the 3 ice cubes will be left. Materials: 1. Water, 100 milliliters at room temp. 2. Ice cubes. 3. Timer. 4. Thermometer. 5. Cup. 6. Pencil. 7. Data sheet. Record temp every minute for 10 minutes. Data: I found out that the ice water temperature dropped really fast. It dropped 12 degrees in the first minute. Conclusion: in this lab, I found out that in 14 minutes that all 3 ice cubes were there. I also found out that my biggest drop was in the beginning. At the end, the temperature dropped to -2. Opinion: I think we should do this experiment again.